Whoa. Whoa. Okay.
How did you lose a...
Oh no, they're here. They're all...
I mean, most of these buildings I think were done in the 70s, and you know, they're ripe for rethinking. I mean, it's also cool that hospitality is here.
Oh yeah?
And they have quite a, I don't know how much you know about their program, but they're very well known and well ranked.
Airflow throughout the buildings.
Open air, yeah. I think one of the bigger challenges is getting light into these spaces. But the roof deck is, I think, a great example of how you can transform it. There we go. So I think this is a perfect example of, you know, an open area that's really underused.
Right.
It has some infrastructure already with these kind of, this was meant to hang
Like a banner or something?
banners or plants, so clearly it's something that we can attach to.
Right.
And then use this, which is not a very deep cross section, but still. All right.
Yeah.
So, I mean, when you look at a space like this, right now, very barren, but honestly, it's got all the right conditions for a significant transformation.
Yeah.
Why this is an important opportunity is because FIU has defined this particular campus of BBC, part of its strategic focus on resilience, environmental resilience.
Oh, cool.
And you know, that's kind of a position where we're aspiring to be in the forefront of research and technology related to resilience and sustainability.
Cool.
On a national and global level. It's about figuring out how it can perform in many, many ways, both as a potential opportunity to handle stormwater. It could even become an outdoor space, which ideally brings people in. So how do we figure out the transformation of these spaces so that they're actually pleasant to be in, so that they're actually opportunities for people to work in, and maybe even link up with hospitality and even the food pantry that's here, to try and transform some of these in a very ambitious way into productive landscapes, things that, you know, fresh fruits, vegetables, things like that. That's kind of the accelerant here, is taking a building that's many, many decades old with the normal problems that happen in an environment and a climate like ours, and then how do you, in the process of mending it, in the process of correcting those failures over time, how can that be transformed into an opportunity? Ultimately, that's a gain that is good for education, but it's also good for practice, good as an example for other places. Yeah.
Yeah, cool, super interesting.
Yeah.
Some tomatoes here and some...
What variety of tomatoes?
I think they're like the teeny tiny ones.
Like cherry tomato
that's
size?
it, yeah, that's
which are good for salads.
I think so.
Yeah, we don't use them for cooking much, but
they're
great for salads. We'll have a bed ready to go over here, so it's all
Very cool.
mulched.
Yeah.
It's all, the compost is from our own circular process, so it started on campus, it ends up on campus.